Hi, welcome you all to this video. Yeah, our coffee series workshop. So this is our very first video. So, uh, so basically, what we're gonna learn in this workshop is how to make these mediums different shades in with this coffee powder. All you need is just coffee powder and water, a paintbrush, a medium to paint. I mean a paper, a surface to paint. Okay, and then we are going to learn how to make these shades, and then we can learn how to make these lettering using coffee and how to paint with coffee, and how to we can use it for backgrounds, how to have a vintage background, basically, and how to even make that vintage papers with this coffee. And you can learn how to make patterns like pattern papers with this coffee, and much more. So let's experiment together and explore this. If you have any doubts or anything regarding this, or you need to share any tip or something like that, you can feel free to personally DM me in Instagram or WhatsApp. Okay, so thank you. So let's start with this video by making these shapes, because with that we can move on. Okay, so let's make it this. So let's all remove this stuff. So just ignore those things. We'll start from here. Okay, just take any bowl or palette or something, whichever you have to mix. I'm using this Sunrises Nescafe coffee powder. You can try with any coffee powder. Okay, it's up to you how much you add. Don't add too much coffee powder at first. Just have some trials, so just have a bit. So I have had this much coffee powder. It would be almost 1 teaspoon. That's it. Okay, to this I'm adding now 1 drop of water. See, like this. I'm adding water like over here. Sorry. Okay, so I'm mixing this now. It shouldn't have any lumps. Make sure you mix them well. You can feel it. Okay, make sure even your brush is good when you mix it. No lumps in your brush as well. So this is the darker shade we have. See, you can see the dark shade. I hope you can see it. Yeah. Okay, so here we go. With this we'll add water to it and dilute it, and then we can make the lighter shades. Okay, so our first shade would be this. Okay, wait, we'll just wipe off your brush each time so that it don't get thing with a tissue or a napkin or anything else. Okay, so this is our first shade. Okay, you can still make it a little bit dark by adding some more. I have already made this one, so I'm adding from that. See, but the thing is it would be a bit sticky. This dark one, it would be sticky and it take times to dry, but once it dries for almost 1 or 2 days completely, it won't stick. See, the darker shade from this is light, and now the light one, just add water to it. 1 2 3 drops of water. Again you mix well. You need to add water as how much you add this powder, I mean the coffee powder, bring that. Okay, so I think we got it. So see, yeah, lighter shade than this. Again you add water more, and again you mix. Okay, and now, yeah, you got this lighter shade. Okay, and some more water. Yeah, lighter. Add some more water. Keep on adding your water. Okay, and yeah, see, and as much as you add water you get the lightest shade, but yeah, I always prefer using shades between this to this, not being too dark and too light, because this takes a lot of time to dry and bit sticky. And this one, the more light, you have to use a watercolor paper. If you're trying this, you can use it, but a normal paper, it starts to bleed like this. You have always seen. So for example, I made these to show you all. See how much it is coming, and if you take from here, it won't come almost. Okay, the light. So this is how you just dilute the coffee powder with water and you get the lighter shade. Lighter shades. That's all. It's just simple. Okay, so I hope this is fine. And now we'll see what I made this. So I made this splashes same like that. So yeah, this is 90% of the coffee powder and 10% of water. That is a bit sticky, I said, but it's dry now, so it won't smudge it off as well. And this is 75% water. Coffee powder and 25% water. And I add water and you get this lighter shades. So it's just simple like that. You can use like a palette, like a darker shade, a lighter shade, later shade. Okay, you can use like that, or you can mix as you use, something like that. So I think this is enough for today. So let's see it in our next video. Okay, and I really thank everyone who is watching this or joined this workshop series in WhatsApp group or something, wherever you see this video. I hope it would be helpful for you. If you have any doubts, please feel free to DM me. Okay, I have mentioned my Instagram ID. Do follow, and you can DM me in my Instagram account, which is _.innovative INNOVATIVE . This is my IG account. And you can text me in my WhatsApp number, which is 9498328003. So thank you and welcome you all. Tata.